And welcome back to our regular expressions course on freeCodeCamp. Here we are matching non-whitespace characters. You learned about searching for whitespace using \lowercase s. So with lowercase s, you can also search for everything except whitespace. Search for non-whitespace using \S, using that uppercase. This pattern will not match whitespace, carriage return, tab, form feed, and new line characters. You could think of it similar to the character class exclude, and then we exclude all these: return, tabs, form feeds, new lines. So we have this string, whitespace everywhere, and then we have our regex, capital S, \S, and then global. We're going to match the length to see how many non-whitespace characters there is, and there is 32 is what it's going to return. That's everything except the whitespace. So change the regex count non-whitespace to look for multiple non-whitespace characters in a string. We're going to come here and do our \S, make sure it's global, and that should allow us to do what we want. So result, and we're able to find multiple non-whitespace characters in a string. There they are. We should now be able to run this test, and we passed. So this is pretty much what we did in the last one, except it's not matching whitespace. It's everything but the whitespaces, and that's with capital S and a global flag. And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.